Just 3 drops of this and you can forget about cleaning your windows for months. The glass becomes resistant to dirt. Washing windows is a nightmare for many of us. Dust settles quickly, and streaks can ruin the whole effect. This homemade mixture solves the problem. Pour about a quart of warm water into a tall container. Add a few drops of glycerin. This creates a thin, invisible protective layer on the glass that prevents dust and dirt from sticking, keeping windows clean much longer. But that's not all. Add a small measure of white vinegar. Vinegar dissolves greasy stains and leaves the surface crystal clear. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle for easy use. Spray the dirty windows with the solution. It not only removes stubborn grime, but also makes the glass perfectly smooth and shiny. Wipe with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. The result? Sparkling, streak-free windows that stay clean for weeks. This is a secret trick for always sparkling windows. It was shared with me by a woman who's been professionally cleaning windows for 30 years and knows exactly what works. Over time, white PVC frames tend to yellow, lose their shine, and make the whole room look dull and less fresh. Dust and dirt can also affect the air quality in your home, which is especially troublesome for allergy sufferers. That's why regular window cleaning is so important. And all you need is something you already have at home: dishwasher tablets. Their formula makes them perfect for cleaning other surfaces too. They contain active enzymes and degreasing agents that effectively remove dirt, stains, and buildup. Just drop 2 tablets into 3 liters of hot water and let them dissolve. Stir well, soak a sponge or soft cloth in the solution, and gently wipe the window frames. You'll see the grime disappear within moments. Finally, rinse the frames with clean water and dry them with a soft microfiber cloth. The frames will be spotless, bright white, and look like new again. It's a simple, inexpensive, and highly effective method that truly works. Just a few minutes, and your windows will look professionally cleaned. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about a liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it. Few people know these tricks for streak-free shiny windows. Say goodbye to smudges, brew some tea and let it cool. In the meantime, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Once the tea is cold, pour it into a spray bottle and add the lemon juice. Spray it on dirty windows, wipe them clean, and dry with a cloth. Grab an onion, cut it in half, and rub it over the glass. Then, use a microfiber cloth to polish the surface. The results will be amazing. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Remove the protective backing, stick it in place, and spray it with window cleaner. Now clean your windows with this clever tool. Fill a bowl with about 1 liter of water and add a small amount of shampoo. Dip a microfiber cloth, squeeze out excess water, and wash your windows with it. For an effective cleaner, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 100 milliliters of water. Shake well and close the bottle. Sprinkle baking soda generously on the window frame. Spray the mixture over it and let the foam sit for 5 minutes. Wipe it away with a wet sponge, and the frame will look brand new. For larger windows, grab a mop and a bucket. Fill the bucket with about 1 liter of warm water, add 2 cups of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix well, soak the mop, and you're ready to clean. Here's how to remove yellow stains and buildup from window frames. This brilliant homemade solution will make cleaning your windows incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 tried and true methods that really work. First, try a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda gently whitens, removes discoloration, and dissolves light deposits. Soak a cotton pad in this mix and wipe the window frames. In just moments, the yellow stains and buildup will disappear. For the second method, use baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder cleans and neutralizes unpleasant odors, while the citric acid in lemon juice brightens and whitens. Apply the paste to frames or sills, scrubbing with a small brush to get into all the hard-to-reach corners. Finish by wiping with a damp cloth. You'll see the difference immediately. The last method is my favorite. Pour a cup of vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar is excellent at dissolving limescale, grease, and streaks. Add a bit of baking soda. It softens dirt and acts as a mild abrasive. When mixed, it will foam up nicely. Spread the foam onto the frames with a sponge. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe clean with a cloth. With these simple homemade tricks, your window frames will look brand new, clean, cheap, and natural. This is my mother-in-law's secret to perfectly clean windows. Now my windows shine like never before. I finally know how to clean windows without streaks. It's one of the simplest natural window cleaning hacks. Just take a spray nozzle from another bottle and attach it to a Coca-Cola bottle. Spray the windows thoroughly, then wipe them with a microfiber cloth that picks up dirt well and doesn't leave streaks. Finish by polishing the glass with dry paper. But that's not all. You can also pour a bit of Coca-Cola directly onto a microfiber cloth and wipe the glass, which works great for lighter dirt. Wondering why Coca-Cola is so effective? It contains phosphoric acid, which breaks down grease, stains, and stubborn grime. In just a moment, the surface becomes clean, shiny, and residue-free. Forget expensive chemical cleaners that may be harmful to your health. Cleaning windows with Coca-Cola leaves them sparkling and crystal clear without streaks. You'll never have to wipe dust off your windowsill every day again. This simple homemade mixture will make it shine and stay clean for a long time. Dust and dirt often settle on windowsills, but here's how to fix it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works as a natural cleaner. It degreases, gently scrubs away dirt, and neutralizes odors. The next ingredient is something you surely have in your kitchen: dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon. It dissolves grease, grime, and dust, leaving the surface clean for longer. Now for natural shine and freshness. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of juice into the bowl. Lemon is antibacterial, removes limescale and residue, and leaves a beautiful shine. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the dirty windowsill and rub it into every corner. This paste also works great on window frames, which often collect dust and turn dull. Finally, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Your windowsills and frames will be shiny, fresh, and protected from dust for weeks. A natural, effective solution that costs almost nothing. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and 1 pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort.